Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the chapter 4, FAQs. So, the FAQ stands for Frequently Asked Questions. Here is a comment or quote that the founder Buy Bitcoin Worldwide, Jordan 2Winer, said, "If you're still a bit confused, that's okay. But buying Bitcoins is hard. But that's why I built this site, to make it easier. If you still need help, I hope this FAQ will help to answer any remaining questions." So when is the right time to buy Bitcoins? As with any market, nothing is for sure. Bitcoin is traded 24/7 and its price changes every second. Coin ATM Radar. Use tools like Bitcoin Wisdom or Crypto Watch to analyze charts from other Bitcoin trading sites. These charts will help you understand Bitcoin's price history across the many global Bitcoin exchanges. So you can find more questions over here and the answers below. You can also see some links that will show you to the website. So there are questions such as, what is the supply of Bitcoins? What other ways can I get Bitcoin besides buying? Do I need to pay taxes on Bitcoin? Can I use multiple exchanges? Am I anonymous when I buy? Why do I need to buy Bitcoins before buying most altcoins? Is Bitcoin illegal? Why are the Chinese buying so much BTC? What happens when you purchase Bitcoins? Can I buy Bitcoin stock? And there are much more questions. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the WeScores website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the chapter 4 FAQ. And I'll see you on my other chapter 5.